Namaste, Doctor.
Namaste.
Today we are talking about something that affects nearly everyone at some point: skin and hair problems.
Correct.
From acne and pigmentation to dandruff and hair fall, people are really searching for natural solutions. Let's begin with skin. Why do skin issues happen, according to Ayurveda?
Skin issues often reflect an internal imbalance of doshas, digestion, and armor or toxin buildup. Stress, hormonal imbalances, and wrong food combinations like milk with salty or sour foods can aggravate skin conditions.
That makes sense. So, acne or pimples aren't just a surface issue.
Exactly. It is about aggravated pitta, that is heat in your body, impurities in the blood. It is not about just treating it externally with packs and creams. It is about pacifying the pitta, cleansing your blood, and correcting your digestive system.
What are some Ayurvedic tips for acne or pimples?
Start your day with a cup of warm water. Avoid pungent, spicy, oily food, and also late nights. External application of sandalwood and multani mitti does help. So does internal intake of 1 teaspoonful, that is 5 grams of Triphala Churna with warm water, which helps to detoxify your body and also balance your doshas. Internally, neem, turmeric, manjishtha also helps, but do take it only after a consultation with your Ayurvedic physician.
What about pigmentation and dull skin?
See, consistency is the key according to Ayurveda in hyperpigmentation. The transformation is not going to happen overnight. Hyperpigmentation is a deep-seated vata imbalance or sun exposure over time. We advise detoxification and external application of Kumkumadi Taila or packs containing Rakta Chandana powder. We recommend Amla, Triphala or aloe vera internally.
Let's switch to hair now. Hair fall is a huge complaint, especially after stress, illness, or even seasonal change. What does Ayurveda say?
If the illness is because of increase in heat in the body or pitta, then there will be hair fall along with the hair follicle. If the illness is because of increase in vata in the body, then there will be dryness of the scalp and hair and breakage of hair. Same goes with the weather or season. If the weather is very cold and proper precaution is not taken, then there will be dryness of the scalp and hair and breakage. And if the weather is very hot, the season is the summer season, and proper care is not taken, then there will be hair fall along with the hair follicle. Yes, and stress can cause an increase in both and cause hair fall.
Can Ayurveda actually stop hair fall?
Yes, it can help with the right diet, scalp care, and internal medicines to treat the underlying causes. Regular application of Bringraj or Neeli Bringadi Taila helps. So does internal consumption of Amla and Brahmi to nourish the hair. Or Ashwagandha to reduce your stress, but only after consulting your Ayurvedic physician. Avoid hot water for hair wash and coffee consumption.
Any suggestions for dandruff or itchy scalp?
That is usually kapha and vata related. There are various Ayurvedic oils which are effective against dandruff. They will be prescribed to you by your Ayurvedic physician depending on your scalp health and whether your dandruff is powdery or flaky. Wash your hair with decoctions of Amla, Rita, Shikakai and Triphala. And like I said earlier, take Triphala internally to balance your gut health, which will reflect in your scalp health as well.
This is amazing. I can see how interconnected everything is in Ayurveda. So for both skin and hair, digestion, stress, and dosha balance play a big role.
That's correct. If your blood is clean, your digestive system is strong, and your mind is calm, your skin will glow naturally and your hair will be naturally lustrous.
Thank you so much for these insights, Doctor.
Thank you.
Stay tuned.
Thank you for watching.